Hello from Fairshare IT Services. Auto reply is quite a interesting tool. This is a little bit different than out of office reply. So in out of office, somehow the email clients will keep telling you that you're out of office. So you might want to change that. So it is slightly, this auto reply is slightly different. This is used where you receive an email, especially on a email address like contact us at fairshare.tech, where you want the sender to get a reply saying that though you are not sent it to a particular person, but we are monitoring it. It kind of gives them the reassurance. So that is why the auto reply is very important. Now in Gmail you can set up very easily. Click on the compose button and create a draft message. So here you can type whatever you want. You can probably give your website link and things like that, right? So compose an email, but the step after that is important actually. Just pay attention to it. So what you do is you are creating a template out of this draft email. How do you create it? Look at this three dots, vertical three dots towards the bottom of this window. Then click on that. Once you click on that, it will open up a pop-up menu like this. Click on templates. Then after templates, you will see save draft as template. Click on that. Then here, click on save as new template. Yeah, so those three dots in the previous screen were important. Then after that, it's kind of obvious, like templates, save draft as template, and save as new template. So once you click on save as new template, you can name it the way you want. Like for example, in this case, I called it as fair share dash auto dash reply. Save it. After that, go to the settings. Like at the top of the Gmail, you see this wheel type of structure. Click on that settings icon. Then click on the see all settings button. After that, you will see quite a few things out here, right? But in that, you need to click on the filters and block addresses tab, right? So go to this tab, click here. Then after that, sorry, I missed one step. Once you clear on click on this one, click on create new filter. Okay, so this is an important step that I had missed out. So click on create new filter. After that, you will see a window like this. Here you type in the email address for which you are setting the auto reply. Like for example, in this case, I want an auto reply whenever somebody sends an email to info@fairshare.tech, right? So that's why I'm typing it as info@fairshare.tech. And of course, you should be, in this case, you should be logged in as info@fairshare.tech. Otherwise this filter will not work, right? So to info@fairshare.tech. Then after that, you click on create filter. Okay, you can make it smarter. By the way, you can make it smarter by auto replying only to emails having certain words in those email, right? Like for example, if somebody sends you like bill, then you can include bill here, and then only reply to those particular emails. You can make it a bit more specific. But for all auto replies, you just don't need to specify anything anywhere. Click on the same email address you are logged in with. Next, when you click on the next button, it will show up specific actions. Out of that, click on the send template box here. So once you click on the send templates box, after that, click on the choose template drop down. So now you will recall that we have already created a template, and now we are trying to send that template as a auto reply. Yeah. Next, so here it showed up like both the older one as well as the new one. Then I clicked on fair share dash auto reply. As you can see, there are many actions here. So as you explore this one first, try this one first. Later on, you can take a look at like these as well. Like for example, there is one called as delete it, right? So in case like you are receiving any emails with a particular word in it or particular subject, and you really don't care about those emails, then you can choose this as well. But for this purpose, check the send template, then choose the template, and then click on the create filter button. So once you create filter button, click on the create filter button, you will see that under filters and blocked addresses, you will see this filter created for you. And of course there is an action associated with that filter. So you'll see that here. Now what you need to do is that send a test mail to this info@fairshare.tech from some other id, from some other email id, like your other personal Gmail address, for example, and then wait for a few seconds, and you should get an automatic reply. So that's all. Thank you.